do about it, huh, son? I say, what are you gonna do about it?
Wow! He's gonna fight. Yeah.
Well, what's your expert opinion?
Ooh, unless my eyes deceive me, it appears to be an authentic Satsuma vase.
Ooh! What's a Satsuma vase?
It's an ornate ceramic vessel of 14th century Japan.
Is it valuable?
Oh, I dare say. Look at this finish, how expertly executed it is.
And the color, it's remarkably even.
Oh, and we mustn't forget the glaze.
Oh, don't get me started on the glaze.
And the scalloped rim.
Lustrous texture.
The buff-tinged enamel.
Get to the point, you stupid squirrels!
We'll go first.
Indeed.
What's the darn thing worth?
Well, given the variables of today's marketplace,
The scarcity of Satsuma ceramics,
and factoring in the current value of the yen,
I'd say your vase is worth approximately
$1 million! Now, which one of you lucky two found it?
I did. I was swimming laps in my pool when my dumb dog dug a hole in my yard. I saw the vase, picked it up, and I very clearly stated, this is interesting.
That's all I needed to hear.
Wow!
No, it's quite all right. It's just a Tiffany lamp.
After all, things are replaceable.
Well, not that. That was one of a kind.
Take that! Ow!
Yeah, that camera, like, what's it called? Recording camera. Recording camera. That thing called recording camera.
Okay.
Yeah, okay.
I'm still standing here. They've broken nearly everything in the store.
Well, look on the bright side. Soon there'll be nothing left to break.
Daffy? Bugs?
Well, look who finally learned to cry. Ow! I say ow!
Do you know what else?
You thinking what I'm thinking?
That was awesome.
Whoa.
Oh, you were.
That's got hurt this time. Like the fight. Yeah. Yeah. That unless it's mine too. It is alive. Especially fight.
I think you might be a rooster after all, son.
That's all I ever wanted to be. The Burmese turtle! We found it!
It's beautiful. I say it's beautiful. It's fine! Oh, I'm so happy. I've never been filled with so much joy. I feel like I'm about to...
That was interesting. It's beautiful.